The handheld gaming world has been evolving at lightning speed, and every time a new device drops, one question dominates. Is this the one that finally delivers true desktop-level gaming in your hands? Well, the ASUS ROG Ally 2 is here, and it comes with a bold claim: the most powerful handheld gaming console ever made. The handheld gaming market has been evolving rapidly over the past few years, and every time a new device hits the shelves, the big question that gamers ask is simple: is this the one that finally gives me desktop-level gaming in the palm of my hands? The ASUS ROG Ally 2 has arrived with exactly that promise. It's marketed as the most powerful handheld gaming console ever built, and after weeks of hype, leaks, and early impressions, the community has been buzzing with curiosity. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. So in this review, I'm going to break down every aspect of the ROG Ally 2, the design, the build quality, the screen, the controls, the performance, the thermals, the battery life, and the real-world experience of gaming on this beast. By the end of this video, we'll answer the burning question: is the ROG Ally 2 truly the most powerful handheld gaming console, or is it just another flashy upgrade that looks good on paper but fails in practice? When you first unbox the ASUS ROG Ally 2, the immediate impression is one of refinement compared to the first generation. ASUS clearly listened to feedback from players who loved the original Ally but wanted something sturdier, sleeker, and more premium in feel. The chassis has been re-engineered with a combination of lightweight aluminum and high-quality polycarbonate, which gives it a balance between durability and portability. It feels more solid in the hand, with less flex and fewer creaks compared to the first-gen model. The grips are slightly more ergonomic, curving into the palms more naturally, and the weight distribution has been fine-tuned so you can hold it for extended sessions without experiencing wrist fatigue. These changes may sound minor, but when you're gaming on a handheld for hours, comfort becomes just as important as raw power. The display on the ROG Ally 2 is one of its most striking features and is arguably where ASUS has pulled ahead of its competitors. We're looking at a 7.5-inch AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness that easily outshines most handheld rivals, including the Steam Deck OLED. The colors are rich, vibrant, and punchy, with deep blacks that make every game feel more immersive. HDR support has been significantly improved as well, giving titles that support it a lifelike contrast that handheld gamers rarely get to enjoy. Playing a game like Cyberpunk 2077 or Red Dead Redemption 2 on the screen is nothing short of breathtaking, the kind of experience that makes you forget you're not playing on a high-end gaming laptop or a 4K TV setup. The bezels have also been trimmed down compared to the first Ally, giving it a more modern edge-to-edge look that feels like the future of handheld gaming displays. But of course, the big talking point with the ASUS ROG Ally 2 is performance. ASUS partnered with AMD once again to deliver a custom APU built on the latest RDNA 4 GPU architecture combined with Zen 5 CPU cores. This chip is designed specifically for handheld devices but punches far above its weight class. In synthetic benchmarks, the ROG Ally 2 scores significantly higher than the Steam Deck OLED, the Neo 2S, and even competes closely with some thin and light gaming laptops. The inclusion of faster LPDDR5X RAM and PCIe 5.0 SSD storage means load times are snappy, multitasking is smoother, and overall responsiveness is far beyond what we saw